Okay guys, so it's Thursday. Let's see what the day brings. I'm going to Mama Noora to... Let's go! Guys, so we are at Esports World Cup here at... Oh, nice! Look at how magnificent this racing car looks. Check this out guys. And I'm expecting it to be productive in terms of my job and also in terms of the side stuff that I'm doing and also exploring around. So well, let's see how it ends up. But just like the other vlogs, this is from where we start, with the start of the day and not really knowing what's next. That's the gist of this whole vlog, raw logs. Anyways, I'll go to the office now. I'll see you later. Good morning everyone. So it's a Thursday here in Riyadh and well, I'm gonna use the King Fahad road to go to Makkah Road and then to my work. And from what I have observed on Thursdays in the mornings, there's a smooth flow of traffic. The rush is not like it's on the other days, but let's see. Okay guys, so today we are going, actually it's not just me, we have one friend with us as well. His name is Osama. Say hi to people watching. If it's not a brother who's watching this, then
yes, hi guys.
Hi guys, again guys.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone. Everybody. Yeah, that's better. That's better.
That's better.
Yeah. You want to say hi everybody again?
Wow.
This looks really good, right?
Really.
Yeah. Oh man. Awesome.
We see two tower crane.
Two tower cranes.
Seem like
Ooh,
couple.
Yeah. And then
If you imagine the scene.
Yeah, scene. Really. It's, and also it looks good because this neighborhood, it has a bit of greenery.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
making it more charming as you, Sama. G-Tour T2
Oh, wow.
on our right.
Wow,
Yeah,
wow.
that's the difference.
And what about this Ranger
Ranger Raptor,
Raptor?
it will be a huge thing in Pakistan.
Yes. I didn't see in Pakistan this.
Yeah. Maybe people
this
have,
type.
but for off-roading or special
Maybe.
purposes. We should honk the horn to have him move a bit. Can he move a bit forward?
Yes.
Yeah,
Possible.
he should move forward. Why
But
is he letting?
maybe this driver is not competent.
We will actually do a little bit of a reverse and then we will have to move from here now. Oh yeah.
Yes, you're a competent driver.
Oh, look at us, Osama. Yeah, nice.
Great, Mr. Tala.
Oh, Osama, you are great. Now we are gonna make a U-turn and we will be well on our route, inshallah.
Yes.
Actually, today I saw this place from afar. Otherwise, I'm not seeing it like. Usually, I'm close to this
Yes.
place, so it doesn't look that big. But from far, you see another one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Maybe this move
These huge tower cranes, man, they are scary.
really scary.
Yeah. Actually, see this dome, this glass dome. You see,
Oh, yes,
that's the
yes.
metro station.
Okay,
Maybe you can
okay.
drop off here.
Then
Imshi Honak.
then how possible to
Like walking. That one. This.
have possible?
This. Yeah. You just cross the road between, and this is the metro station. You Okay guys, so it's a Thursday evening and well, I'm going to Mama Noora to fetch some food and maybe some juice as well. And in the meanwhile, my friend Samar, he is coming and we are planning to go to Boulevard City. Let's see how it goes. But right now I'm gonna have dinner here and then I'll wait on Samar. So also there's something related to esports and gaming going on over there, but we'll see, we'll show you as well. This is Tureb restaurant. Tureb restaurant. Good for kapsas. There they have the, I think it's the Al Majdui Tower. Then some constructions going on. Check this out guys, who do we have over here? My beloved friend Samar. Check him out, huh? Drinking water, staying hydrated, huh?
Let's go.
Let's go, yeah. How was your day? Day was tiring, obviously, I know. But did you rest?
Busy day. It was a very busy day.
Yeah, did you rest?
Sure, yeah, little bit.
If you didn't call me, I would have slept.
Oh, I know,
Yeah.
but you know, it's a weekend, so.
It's a weekend, really.
Why you want to sleep on weekend?
Yeah. What about the times when you want to sleep?
Of course, not on weekend.
Yeah, obviously. So right now we are going to
Boulevard.
yeah. Yeah. So guys, we are going to Boulevard City. Boulevard. We haven't been to Boulevard World, right, Summer?
Boulevard Esports Center.
Oh, we are going there, and we are going through this Takhasusi street, and we will show you the route all along. Obviously, on the channel, you see me driving
RJ
around.
music, please.
These are the scenes of parking, and well, the thing is that we are going with the flow as well. We are not sure if we are gonna get the parking inside, but let's see. Everyone is in a rush. Okay guys, so we got a parking, but on the other side of Riyadh. Yeah, now we are going to the Boulevard City. Let's see. No, not City. Boulevard Esports, yeah. So let's see how it goes. I'm not sure what to expect from this experience, but let's hope it will be a good one.
We will share with you.
Yeah.
We will share with you.
There's a quiz for you. What sort of waste it is? General, organic, recycling. Okay, that's the answer. This is the route of Sports Boulevard, and there are cycling tracks, walking tracks, all that sort of interesting stuff as well. Okay guys, so we are at Esports World Cup here at, oh nice. Let's see how it goes. We have to go through the entrance. These are the scenes here. Okay guys, so we are inside Boulevard City and well the vibes, they are quite funky right now and
We are also from right now.
yeah, he is the most funkiest, most vibrant and jolly. Yeah, so let's see how it goes. And check this out guys. What is this? Some components from a sports car attached to a screen. This out what they have over here. Look at how magnificent this racing car looks. They also have this ratio specialty coffee over here. Yeah, check this out. Somewhere these paparazzis, they have been following me for quite some time. Samar is taking his Valorant personality test. Some secret information. The ideal personality, the spirit of the storm and the fighter no one can catch. Mr. Samar. Trophy wall of this esports team. Wow. देख escape room here. Check this out guys. These cars are being controlled by their minds. They have that gadget on their heads. See? Who's winning?
उनको पता भी नहीं है कि मेरी गाड़ी कौन
Guys, you all know Barnes, the one behind us. Yeah. So this might not be the Barnes that you know. It's actually the same brand, but right now we are in this esports World Cup here in Boulevard City, and look at the theme. They changed their theme to match that of the esport World Cup. Well, that's wonderful. Okay guys, so we explored the esports, all this arena and everything. Now we are going to see if we can find a coffee. So the suggestion is for Tim Hortons from my side, because we went to Tim Hortons once before when we came here. Summer, are we with Tim Hortons or some else?
No,
something else? Yeah.
very good.
Yeah, it was actually good.
The coffee was fantastic.
Yeah.
So we are going to try
Tim
again
Hortons.
once again.
Yeah. Let's see how it goes this time around. There are a lot of coffee shops over here, but I think Tim Hortons is good.
खत्म हो गया। बस
The flavor of the Tim Hortons coffee.
The flavor of the Tim Hortons coffee is somehow different from others.
Yeah.
Like previously we have also tasted the other coffees.
We have tasted a lot. How can we remember the names?
I think from Coffee Planet,
Coffee Planet,
Dunkin'.
Dunkin's, a lot of places, really.
But,
Yeah.
he suggested us that
Guys, so what happened is we sort of changed our mind. We might not go to Tim Hortons. We are going to Dunkin'. Let's see. Okay guys, we'll make this the end. Thank you for watching till here. See you in another one. Let's check this out. What would you call that? What's up everyone? So hope you are all doing well. In this video we are gonna try out this Milaf Cola. This is actually Saudi made, and it's made with premium dates and with minimal processing and all that. You might have heard of Coca-Cola, Fanta, Sprite and all these cold drinks beverages, but this one is as natural as you can get in a cold drink. And let's actually not as natural, but in terms of let's say the processed and carbonated drinks, this is I think the most natural one you can get in Saudi Arabia. So I'm gonna try out Milaf Cola, and there has been a lot of hype about it. This is the first time I'm trying this. Let's see if it lives up to the hype, and then after tasting this I'll tell you about we'll delve into the details. But first we need to try this out. So I'll just open this from here. Okay, carbonated. Now it's the time of the revelation of the truth. Okay, let's see. Well, it's carbonated, and it also has a touch of dates in it. And let's say you drink Pepsi, it's quite harsh on your throat, and you feel like it's sort of more on the heavy side. This one feels quite light, and although it has the same sort of carbonated effect as you experience in Pepsi or Coca-Cola, but the difference is that it feels more light, and there's a essence of dates in it. And also the taste, it seems like dates, and the taste is actually sticking right now. I have taken a sip quite some time ago, maybe 30-40 seconds ago, but still the taste is still there. You don't feel this with other carbonated drinks. But anyways, this there has been a lot of R&D, that research and development, that went into making this one. So I'll complete this one and then we'll talk. Okay, guys, there's a little left, and I was reading the description over here, and it says no artificial sweetener. And another thing that it mentions is that cola with dates extract, carbonated drink, and there was something else written here as well that was prominent. Okay, where is it? Okay, contains caffeine. It also has caffeine in it, and the things that stand out to me, it's the fact that it's more lighter, and there's a feeling of actually drinking something with the dates in it, because obviously they have dates extract in it. So the dates and this being more lighter, this is what I actually felt more. And also there's no artificial sweetener in it and all this one. So well, if I had to rate it out of 10, I would say maybe 7 or something. I was expecting it to be like completely different than other cold drinks, but anyways, it's a bit different, but I wouldn't say that much. But obviously there's no artificial sweetener in it, so that stands out, and the date, that being the main highlight of this. So let me know down in the comments if you have tried Milaf Cola before. I think I'm gonna complete this. Yeah.